One of the fantastic things about technology and new technology is that they enable us to work smarter. Now, ChatGPT is one of those tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to create your own website in under 5 minutes, and this is using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes. Hey, my name is Roger. Thank you again for stopping by. Hope that you'll enjoy the video. I'd really appreciate you liking the video, subscribing, and also sharing the video with other persons so that they can also get benefits that you're also deriving from these videos. Let's jump right into the video. ChatGPT is very much interactive, quite resourceful, and it does take a lot of the heavy lifting out of the tasks that would normally take us hours, days, weeks, perhaps in some situations. Now, the first thing that I did was I asked ChatGPT to give me an outline for my website. So yes, you have to plan. So here I'd asked it to give me an outline for this website for a computer repair business to include the following. So I have here home page, I have different sections and subtitles for the different services offered. There's also a call to action, tagline, and about. So take all of this, dump it into here. Of course, when you're doing your own building your own website, you will certainly be customizing the information that you dump into ChatGPT. Hit go, and that's it. It starts generating the information. So these are all the different sections to be included in the website. Based on what is here, I can then decide if I'm going to tweak it or let it remain as it is. The next step is to actually ask ChatGPT to code the website, and that is using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's my prompt. So code this website in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I ask it also to give me a blue theme and to use appropriate graphics. And of course, as I'd mentioned, you can put in whatever special features that you wanted to include in the code. Okay, so this is the HTML code. Here we have the CSS codes, and here we have the JavaScript code being generated. The next thing to do now is to copy the codes. So I'm going to start with the HTML code. Let's scroll up. So here it is. So I'm going to copy all of this. Then create a folder, because you want to have all of your working files in one folder. Create a folder, or you can give it a name, whatever name you want to give it to. Open that. I'm going to use my text editor will be Notepad, and I'm going to dump my codes in here. So those are my codes. I need to save this. I need to also rename this. So this is going to be index.html. Get that out. Alright, it will ask you if you want to go ahead with changing the file extension. Click yes, and it will convert to a web page. The next thing now is to copy the other codes. So I have here CSS, so copy all of these codes. Same procedure. Notepad. Open that, dump the codes there, save it, and then I'm going to change the file name to styles, styles dot css. Take out that. Same thing, it will ask me if I want to change the file extension. Click yes. And then finally, I'm going to copy the JavaScript codes. Get all of those stuff up. Copy. Dump them into text editor. And I'm going to call this script dot JS. So these are my three working files. So we have here the HTML file, the JavaScript file, and the CSS file. So I had downloaded some images before, and these are images that are referenced in my HTML codes. And so you have to make sure that you do that, and you have them named and named properly along with the correct file extension that corresponds with what is in the HTML code. Alright, so I'm going to open my web page here, and that's it. So this is it. And of course, this is just basic. As I'd mentioned, you can always go forward and you can tweak. You can actually tweak the codes to get it exactly how you want. Alright, so that in a nutshell is how you can go about creating a website using Chatgpt, and that is using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.